All right, I started.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were talking about today's trade here. So basically, this is weekly chart. Let me see. So from weekly, I already know that we are bullish because
Yeah.
price price is from this EG buy, and we had EF here. So the focus was on here on CMP. So once we know the direction, we only focus on H4 and 30 for trade control. So as you can see, even the daily, we had this
Yes.
EG buy. It was tapped here from zone to zone, from daily EG buy to daily EG sell. So this whole area is EG sell. So for us to know whether we are buying or selling from this daily zone, we need to focus on H4 and H4 only.
Okay.
Yep.
So from H4, we play around with trade control and fetch.
Makes sense.
So in this zone, we had this H4 zone. Let me show you. You can see this EF,
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
right?
bro. Can see. Yeah, yeah.
This one. Yeah.
Actually, in different brokers, we had different zones there, right?
I'm not sure. Yeah, but it
Yeah,
happens. But
that happened to me because I use TradingView for
yeah,
charting,
yeah.
and now I feel that I have to stick to this MT5 or MT4 for real.
Yeah. The other thing, yeah, the other thing is that you must stick to trading view. No, I mean the meter trade and not trading view, because the data feed from trading view might differ from your broker. So you just stick to your broker data feed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I normally analyze here, not on trading view, but I will show you
Mhm.
on trading view too, no problem. So we had this H4EF. From this H4EF, the price came here and it made this EG buy in the same time frame. So
Yeah.
I don't want to go deeper into whatever happens here. Let's just focus on today's trade here. We had EF on H4. We have EG, another EG here, if you can see it, right?
Yeah.
This one,
Yeah.
H4
Okay.
EG. Yeah.
Wait. So, you said
Already,
this one right here.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So already, I know for today that I'm bullish. I will be buying when New York opens. So from there we go MFED or trade control. So on MFED I saw this trade control, which is in line with this H4 EG buy. So when price tapped into trade control, it also tapped into H4 zone just by some pips, but I was focusing on this trade control because I already know that we are bullish. Because by this time it was New York time. It was New York open. So from here, I normally trade EG plus EF. I only take my trades only and only if I have EG plus EF, either on M5 or M1.
Okay.
Yeah, EG plus EF on M5 only. If that not happen, I don't take it trade.
So you
Okay.
wait for M5 EG or EF, then only you enter, brother. You don't directly enter when you see M5
Yeah,
EG.
let me
Can you show me M5? Would be much better for me to have a look at.
let me write.
Actually, brother, my problem which I would like to say is that the direction, brother. Sometimes I get trapped a lot because if you see, not in this group, not in Express, if you see the H4, we had H4 EG for sell and then H4 EF for sells from a daily engulfing. So that defines that direction has changed. And I was expecting that, okay, if the direction has changed, then I have to look for sells. But I
Oh,
I also took the sells and it made me money. 1:4 is a big money for me. But I was like, the direction is sell, so market should go selling. But when price went up, I was like, man, the
Yeah, I was
direction
also
was
one
sell.
of
How is it?
those.
Yeah, I made money, brother. Where as soon as price reached the H4 engulfing, right? I took out my positions, most of the positions. I left some part of the runner. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's what
oh,
I do.
oh yeah. But the other thing is that price move from H4 to H4, 100%.
Yeah,
From H4 zone to H4 zone, 100%.
Okay. Gotcha.
We will that I will show you that. But let's focus on this entry here. So on my confirmation, on my rate control M30 EG buy, I focus on these two. These are my confirmation entries. If I don't have this, I don't enter. So from here, I went straight to M1.
hmm
M1 give me EG buy and
yeah.
EF on M1. Yeah.
Okay.
But
Ah,
price
okay.
didn't, yeah, price didn't come to my EG or EF here. So
Ah, okay.
I had to wait for another one here.
Yeah, yeah,
I was only able to enter from here, but I cut my trade here because I was about to knock off in my office. So this whole move I didn't catch it all. I only catch about yeah 90 pips.
that's
So
more than
huh?
that's more than enough, brother.
Yeah, that's more than enough because I normally go full margin because
Oh, nice.
I, I'm a bit of a scalper than holding, so I'm not yet perfectly holding because
Yeah. And
uh,
bro, do you play stop loss or do you exit manually? What do you do?
well I use this script here.
Okay.
Well, once I'm in profit, I can either say close all profits. It will close
hmm
those in profits and leave those in loss until they are in profit. When they are in profit, it will close. Or I will just say close all open trades. You will just close them all at once.
Okay.
I
Which
just
one is
drop
that,
this.
brother? Can you share me later that script? Which one?
Yeah, you just if you open 20 trades here, you don't need to be closing one by one here. You just
Yeah, yeah,
take
yeah. That
you
that
just
happens.
take a script and let it here. It will just close them just like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what I said. So you were talking about direction. Direction, we only focus on direction on weekly and daily.
hmm
So if weekly is bullish, whatever sell entry I take is just a scalp. So
Uh,
I
which
normally I normally don't trade scalp during London or because London there's a lot of trooping market. The market used to choke
yeah,
me
I've
a lot.
been experiencing the same thing
Yeah,
lately.
but in New York, once you catch a trade, you'll get at least 60 pips or above. So you don't even have to wait a lot.
Yeah.
So from here, we were bullish. Even when the price was moving from here to here, it was just a replacement, a replacement because we already know that market is from this EG buy and it made EF. Once market make EG and EF on a particular time frame, it says it will go further.
Yeah.
So this cell movement here, it was just a retracement into this zone.
But if you
But
see,
if
brother, what happened was that uh, in the current market price, we have a current EG. Do you focus them or only to the left one, the extreme left one? Let me annotate it for you. Yeah, the daily. Yeah, this one, brother.
daily, should I go to daily?
No, oh,
Oh, sorry.
uh, even the color
Oh,
was not.
this one.
Yeah, 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 that one.
Oh, let me do like this. Let me cancel everything. Yeah.
I'm trying to delete it. It's not getting deleted.
you want to clear the draw?
And now it's done. Yeah.
So
absolutely.
this was from zone to zone.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
since we were from this zone, but
In monthly we were bullish, so that's why the price was just
yeah,
going.
in monthly we were bullish because once we have EF, we already know that monthly we had easy buy, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
We all know that EF from one time frame is easy buy on one time frame higher, right?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah. So once we have EF on weekly, we know that monthly is easy buy. So we were bullish. So this retracement here was just this down move was just a retracement.
Yeah.
So from this weekly zone going to daily,
Uh,
daily gave us this EG buy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And once we have EG to EG like this one,
Mm.
just know that the market will move a lot because once we have EG plus EG on the same time frame, like here we have EG buy on daily and we have another EG buy reacting from another EG buy, the market will
Yeah.
go further. Yeah. So
Makes sense.
whatever trade you get here as a sell signal is just for retracement, just a short-term scalp.
Yes, bro. Makes
So
sense.
from this daily, we already know that it has to go to this daily to daily, because this one, this daily here was our current market price. So we just focus here on the same P.
Okay.
Yeah. Any question if you have?
No, brother. If the price closes bullish now, so even in weekly time frame we'll be bullish in particular. Though in monthly we are bullish, in weekly we were bearish, but now after this closing we'll be again bullish in weekly also. Weekly
Yeah,
story.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Weekly we are bullish now because we have EF on daily here. If this day closes like this, we will be having EF here.
Yeah.
So we'll be focusing on buys only. But well, we might have some replacement entries here.
Yeah. Candlestick closes.
Yeah, yeah,
Candle closes bullish. We need to look for some retracement when creating
yeah.
an EG like this.
So I don't normally focus on daily and weekly. I just look for direction.
Yeah.
From there, I only stick to H4.
You take counter trend trades or you only take the directional trades, brother? What do you do?
I only take direction trade. Just like this one. Since I knew that we are bullish because we had daily EG plus daily EG here. And I saw this EG EF H4 EF here.
Yeah.
It was a
Ac-
perfect setup. It was a
Actually,
textbook
brother,
setup.
in this price action here, this one, in other brokers, if you see the trading view thing, there you will get to see that we already had an EG and EF in Pepperstone, in Saxo, in Wanda, and all those stuff. We had an EG buy and EF. From there only we got a very good signal for buys. I took few longs here just for some small capturing like from here to this H4 to H4 level. But
Yeah,
yeah, that was very
yeah,
good.
yeah. I caught a good trade from here to here, and
Nice,
another one was from here all the way to here.
lovely.
So
I'm not good at holding trades,
yeah,
brother.
yeah, me too. I'm not good at holding. I only trade New York session. So let me stop sharing this one. Let me share a trading view.
For sure.
Yeah.
Bro, Sky, are you done with all the sessions which you had before session?
Oh no, I'm brand new. I didn't have any sessions yet. How do we watch the videos so far? The introductory videos.
Actually, you should,
Can you see
brother,
my
because
screen?
yeah, I can.
Yeah, I see your
Or else,
screen.
yeah, yeah, I was
So
talking about this.
on TradingView, this was my analysis. Let me see. Weekly, from weekly. Yeah, from weekly, I still have this zone and this EF.
Mhm.
So I already knew that we would go in higher. Daily I had this zone and yeah, plus this EG buy here on a daily. So wait for H4 here. H4 here. We had this EF here. So
News.
this was news.
Yeah.
On some brokers, I use XNET and IC Market. On IC Market, I didn't have this spike here. I set my pending orders here on IC Market. They didn't get activated, but on XNET they were all activated.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's broker difference. So we have to live with it. No,
Yeah, I had a pending down here. Whoops.
but yeah,
I had a pending what was it? It was down here. And then I took this one on A cap. This is the one that like ended up going. So I mean I caught this trade here, but I didn't catch it for long. I only went up to this level right here.
Yeah, that was a fall of 100 pips. That's a huge thing, brother.
bro, you're on a sell.
Yeah.
Oh,
What's it again?
you were on a sell from year to
This
year.
one. No, no, no. I
Oh
was talking about this.
no, yeah. No,
Ah,
I
no
was
way, bro.
no, I was on a
Ah,
buy here.
yeah.
Oh,
Let me
okay.
Yeah,
tell you
but I
where I
had
was long. I was long somewhere over here. Yeah, bro. Same. I was there. And what happened was I kept it at B at some point of time when it moved somewhere over here. I kept it at B. It hit me out. It went up. I'm glad it took me out. Or else, see this. This was 100 pips fall. That
yeah,
could have
Yeah,
actually fully killed your account if you're going full margin
yeah,
or something of that sort.
yeah. My broker didn't go
yeah,
down there. It only it stood
Yeah,
at
yeah.
it stood right here and went up. I didn't get
Makes sense.
the spike down there.
yeah,
Yeah, even Brother Kin, if you see, he didn't get any spike, bro. It was just around 25 pips of drawdown, 20 pips of drawdown. And it within no time it rallied like this. And I was like, man, why did it do with my broker? And after that, the chart looked so shitty, bro. I was like, man, this kind of thing, when you see in charts, you feel
yeah.
devastated. But if you see in a good way, this was a M30 first entry over here, this one. And
Yeah.
yeah, that was a
This,
good zone to take trades from.
yeah.
See, that's where I plan to take I had like I had a limit here over here with like a higher lot size, but I had like a small one here because I thought it
Yeah,
was actually gonna go down here, but like
yeah.
just in case I had put one here and then it just flew from there, so it's like I had to leave a little bit after.
Yeah, I had
Absolutely.
only two pending orders here. The others were here.
I guess we need to do sessions with brother Ivan, like the same thing now we are doing now. He has some good piece of knowledge for now. Really good, bro. Like really good.
I normally take I normally take pending orders, few of them here,
Hmm.
and the other buy stops here. There are maybe 20 of them here.
Yeah,
So after 2 or 3 candlesticks, I already made enough. I've already made enough, so I can spend the whole day doing my other projects. So this trade here was textbook setup. Today, this one was so good because it follows our SOP,
fully. Yeah,
full SOP.
absolutely.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. I don't know whether there's anything.
I wanted to ask
Whether
you about the entry model, brother. Like, do you look for some confluences or something of that sort in order to take trades in a better way? Like something which you use? Because
come again?
yeah, sometimes what I do is when I take trades with M5EG, I get trapped sometimes. If I take direct entry with M5EG, you're explaining us about M5EG and the confluences with EF when you take trades. When you get EG and EF, then only you enter. That one I wanted to ask. Can you? explain it to me again.
Or I only take trades when I have EG plus EF. If I don't have both of them, I don't take a trade. Just like here, let me go M1 to
You trade M1 or M5, brother? 1M.
for my confirmation entry, I use M1 and M5.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Because previously when we had a conversation, you told that I only use M5. So that's why I asked you again.
Let me show you. If the zone, you see this M30 zone here.
Yeah.
If this zone is less than 30 pips, I use M1 because my stop loss is usually 30 pips.
Yeah.
Because M1 is a high risk entries. So
Absolutely.
if the zone is less than 30 pips, I use M1 EG plus EF.
Mhm.
You said when the zone is less than 30 pips?
30 or less
because
than 30.
30 or less.
Oh, 50 or
If the
less. Okay,
zone
got
is, yeah. So if I see EG plus EF, that gives me 30 pips or less.
Mm, makes sense. And what about the stop loss, brother? Do you cut it on your own or do you place a hard stop below the low?
So for my entry here,
Yeah.
so this zone is about 16, 17 pips. So 30 pips will be somewhere here.
Your
So
stop
that's
loss.
why I use, yeah. So the zone itself is less than 30 pips.
Ah, makes sense.
So I can easily use M1. But if the zone is more than 30 pips, let's say the zone was like this, I have to wait for M5 and M5 EG plus EF.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you without EF you don't enter. For example, if you get M5 EG, will you take the trade or you will wait for EF to form, then only you will enter?
Yeah, I will wait for EF to form. Then I will enter.
Till then you won't trade
M5.
from M5 EG?
Yeah, from that M5 EG, I won't trade.
Ah, because yeah, sometimes it's trapping actually. Makes sense, bro. Real sense.
You see here, we only had EF here on M5.
Absolutely.
So this will be my entry if this zone was bigger than 30 pips. So I will compromise these pips here. But once I get this on M5, I know I'll make a lot because
Yeah.
I will,
And bro,
I will put more.
what do you do to manage the roadblocks? Because what happens is if you see the zone, it was actually in M30 roadblock, right? If you open M30, we had a roadblock there.
Page here. M30 here.
The below one, the one which is below. Yeah,
This one.
yeah, that one.
The same story. You wait for confirmation entry, M5 or M1. If the zone
No,
is less than
if you
30,
remember what Kin said that if price from this trade control, if price goes up, okay, and we already
yeah,
have somewhat like an M5 EF like this somewhere here. For example, it went to roadblock. Then if it comes back, then Kin avoids taking those trades. He says that I want a new C again over here. Then only I'll enter. Then if he gets some C of that sort, then he will take. Have you attended the thing when he told this? Because I
yeah.
remember that.
I'm not sure whether I get you, but for me, whenever price gets into M30 roadblocks, I focus
Mhm.
on M5. Yeah, I focus on M5 to see whether I get
Yeah,
a confirmation entry for sales.
yeah.
Or in this case, let me see. We had nothing for M5 here.
Yeah, but the roadblock was
Even
in
on this,
the M5 EF was created in the this thing, the roadblock zone. So that's what I wanted to ask you. Like, what would you do there? Because I find it tricky whenever price moves to roadblock, right? I'm like, can I enter now? Should I enter? Should I not? That's what actually confuses me. So that's
or or when price moves from M30, like in this case from this M30, it is currently
yeah,
here. You don't know whether you enter a buy position.
yeah. I get confused there. Should I
Yeah,
take the buys or not?
yeah, yeah. If the price is on that CMP, but on that CMP
Yeah,
M30 CMP,
yeah.
go to M5. If you see EF on M5, just continue buying.
Okay.
Yeah, EF are the ones that will tell you whether to buy or sell. So like in this case, we have this M5 here and it's EF.
Yeah, yeah.
So you just buy here.
Okay. So yeah, that
Yeah,
makes real sense.
yeah, you monitor your trades with EF. Every time you get EF, just buy. Like here, this
Yeah,
is this is another entry. You just buy here. Every time you get EF, just buy.
yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So that's it for
Uh,
today. Maybe we can share a live trade
Sure,
tomorrow.
sure. You can do that. That would be a good thing and a really helpful thing for us. Because what I
Yeah,
see is that you have got some really good experience with this thing and you're doing pretty well, bro. Like,
yeah.
really admire that.
This is my second teacher in
Uh-huh.
EG strategy. I am from EG Solutions.
Easy solutions.
So
Yeah.
yeah,
Uh,
but they are much similar. They are much similar. So
yeah, but I guess they are more related to swing trading, right? And Kin is more intraday trader.
yeah. Hey, they hold those
Yeah.
guys. Sure.
Yeah, Olamigos have seen that guy also is more of a swing trader, and Caramelito, she's also a bit like a swing trader, but our brother Kin is more of an
Yeah,
intraday trader. So he says if H4 M30 is there, it's more than enough. And bro, what about when it comes like H4 and M30? That's all you need to make money. Do you agree with that? That if you only
yeah,
trade H4 and M30,
yeah. That's all. Yeah, that's all because EG Solutions use two time frames lower. He uses
yeah,
H4,
hmm,
H4 to H4 zone, and it's 100% accurate.
yeah,
From H4 to H4, from H4 to H4, he only focus on EG plus EF.
mhm.
Let me. I don't know if I can explain his method here. It's so simple but so powerful. But the only problem with it is that your trades might be late because using King's method, I always catch trades earlier. Let
Yeah.
me make an example here.
And bro, do you break even your
If
trades
I
or you
can-
leave it running without putting any stop loss?
No, I normally drop a stop loss. Once my trades are in profit,
Yeah.
you see this drop S, I just drop it just above my entries.
Uh,
It will put a SL for every trade that I took.
yeah, because that's also what I follow, brother, because I don't want to leave my runners in such a way because if price wants to go, it goes, it doesn't come back. If it's coming back, it won't go up.
Yeah.
In EG, that's what I've been saying. And what I do is as soon as price reaches roadblock, I be my trades and then I leave it running. No matter how far it goes, I leave it. That's something which I'm doing and it's
Yeah,
been good for me.
yeah. But I normally cut loss when my EG got violated. Like in
You,
this case,
yeah.
if I have this EF on M5,
Mhm.
you see this EF, and I
Bro,
have
I
this
think you are
I don't think
showing
your
EG by.
screen.
empty. Yeah, you're showing you're
Oh,
looking at empty screenshot screen maybe.
meta trader, sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Absolutely. No, it's
Um, we are only left with 3 minutes, guys. So we see this EF here,
Yes.
yeah.
and this EG by. If
Yeah.
if M5 candlestick closes below this, I normally cut my trade right away.
Got you.
So I normally don't put a stop loss immediately once I put my trades. I put my stop loss once my trades I have run at least like this. Because here, once I entered this weekend, I was in profit. Then I dropped a SL here, just
Yeah.
here. Yeah.
And bro,
But
one
here,
thing.
but if the candlestick closes below here, I close them manually. I just drop a script to close all of them at once.
Mm,
Got you.
that's really good. That's really,
Yeah.
really good. And bro, I wanted to ask you that if you see, when you when you take the trade, what do you keep in mind? Like, okay, my stop loss is 30 pips, and then you execute your lot size, right? For example, if you're
Yeah.
taking 10% of a risk or
Yeah.
5% of risk, and yeah, so
Yeah.
you calculate lot size based on 30 pips, and then when price gives you closes below M5C or M1C, then you
You
exit
cut.
your
I cut.
positions and wait for
Yeah.
new cut loss.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
makes real sense.
Uh, but in most cases, I in my platform, in my Exness platform, I have a wallet, uh, like two accounts. I transfer money. The money I
Mhm.
left in my active trading account is what I'm willing to lose.
Ah, nice.
So because today I just made $3,000. I
Yeah.
started with $500.
Mhm.
I transferred 200 to $2.5 to other account and leave 500 again. That 500 I'm willing to lose.
That's really good, man. Really
That
good.
makes sense.
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask you, what script is this for, like the boxes here? Like, could you share that script,
Or
or I mean, or indicate
it's
it?
color level. It, yeah, it's an indicator. I'll forward them to you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. My Zoom will expire in some seconds. Yeah, if you can see here. So
For
let
sure.
me just forward you the script and this indicator here.
All right,
For
thank you,
sure,
thank
bro.
you,
Thank you, brother. Thanks a lot.
Sure, sure.
thank you for the session, man. Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Yeah, yeah. I really
Thanks,
appreciate that.
guys. Thanks.